Right, well this is the tree bee's queen walking around on the comb, and she's been successfully brought up from the lower brood nests in the log, which is down there, you can see, and she's up in this other nest of combs now, so I'll be able to, in a week's time, move her and the combs in this manufactured box to one side, and the remaining tree bees downstairs in the log coming through the entrance will breed their own replacement new queen. So I'll have at least two queens of the really good wild gene stock, and they can be introduced into my other bees here at Hampton Court, Thames Ditton Apiary, as a very disease resistant, and they're lovely, placid, docile bees, good gatherers and something to be kept. That's Beesmax, 1st of June 2020.